Well, new research has revealed that for many of us, a bit of retail therapy is a surefire way to boost your mood and mental well-being. I didn't need the research to tell me that. It's not a surprise to me. I enjoy browsing my favourite stores and grabbing a coffee while I shop. So I love that 3 iconic shopping centres in the CBD are giving retail therapy a wellness makeover. And Duty has gone to the Galleries in Sydney to check it out.
Yeah, you are absolutely right, Ange. I'm going to be spending big, and I'm here, and I'm in a good mood. I'm here with Dr. Tim Sharp, aka Dr. Happy. Tell us what's happening here today.
G'day, well, thanks for having me. Well, we're in the Galleries in the heart of the Sydney CBD, and along with the Strand Arcade and the QVB, we've got a bunch of retail therapies, which are positive wellbeing experiences that anyone can come and visit and experience.
And Dr. Happy, how did this come about?
Well, I think, look, it goes without saying it's been a tough few years. We don't want to dwell on that. But a lot of people have suffered, and one of the biggest reasons that people have been unhappy and not as well as we'd like them to be is the lack of connection. So I guess Vicinity, who own these 3 centres, wanted to bring people together and to bring them together in a positive way, to enjoy some real wellbeing experiences as part of what we're calling retail therapies.
And what are some of the wellness therapies that are on offer?
Well, here at the Galleries, you can see this fantastic installation, which is chromotherapy. So we know from the research that different colours, different types of light can create different positive moods like calmness or even arousal. At the Strand Arcade, there's sound therapy, which again we know for many, many thousands of years has been associated with different forms of meditation or calmness or mood enhancing benefits. And then over at the QVB is fractal therapy. Now, fractals are these patterns that occur naturally in nature, but they can be recreated. So what you can see over there are these moving patterns, which again can create a positive mood experience.
And what's your favourite part of the initiative?
Look, to be honest, it's just been really enjoyable watching people come in and enjoy these experiences and really smile. You know, you can see them come in and look around and go, what's this?
I'm smiling already.
Yeah. And then they might read a bit about the background or the research behind either the light therapy or the sound therapy, but it really does seem to be bringing some joy and happiness to people who are, I guess, finally getting back out into life again.
So, Dr. Happy, how can Sydney-siders get a piece of positivity?
Well, again, if you're in Sydney, just come down to here, the Galleries, or the QVB or the Strand, just walk around, enjoy. There's some information. Some of them even have little QR codes you can scan to get the sound therapy playlist even. So come along and enjoy it, and it's all for free.
Doctor, I've got the corporate card, so the team back there would like a few things. Shall we go shopping for them?
Sounds pretty good to me.
All right, let's go shopping. Back to you guys in the studio. Let's go this way. See you later. What do you want? And
shoes,
you want some shoes? Shoes, whatever.
Excellent work.
Shoes, they want shoes.
Shoes. So if you are in Sydney, come and experience one of the unique in-centre